inspiring to do is we've partnered with the Atlanta Falcons and some significantly other larger high schools in the area, and we're in a competition with some of the larger high schools in the area. And when I say larger high schools, we're 220 right now. High schools we are competing against have up to 3,600 kids in them. We're that and everywhere else. But what we've pledged to do is collect as many canned goods for the canned food drive as any high school in this metro Atlanta area. And this is something that we've joined into or entered into with the Atlanta Falcons. And what I'm asking you to do and encouraging you to do is bring your cans. There are a couple of incentives for bringing cans, and your teachers will make you aware of those in your individual classes and how you can deal with that situation. But I want to make you aware of that. Furthermore, could the ladies of distinction please stand up? For those of you who are not aware, this is one of the service organizations that exists within our, you can sit down now. This is one of the service organizations that exists within our academy, and they are on a fundraising drive to help fight breast cancer. And I want you to recognize that and acknowledge that, and please give them your support. Ladies, thank you for taking on that task. The last thing that I will get into is our ongoing theme of this year of social and civic literacy. Not only do we want you to know how to read, write, arithmetic, and all that old school stuff, but the new school stuff consists of social and civic literacy. What that basically means is knowing how to act wherever you go and understanding that you have a responsibility to each member of this community. So, on that note, I'd like to applaud you because your behavior today was exceptional in the sense that we got through a program and first of all, I'm just proud of all of you. I won't get into all that, but that's an individual lecture for the other advisors. And lastly, that you treat each other with respect and with dignity. Now, Mr. McCall, is there anything else? Oh, he's putting his hand across his head, so I guess that means, now, Ms. Williams, is there a recessional? Okie dokie. Thank you very much, and what I need you to do